Hello folks, it's that time again for What for Supper Wednesday, and today we're fixing pizza dump casserole. Quick, simple, easy. Alrighty, we've got 1 pound of noodles, your choice. A lot of people use elbow. We're using these ones here today. Alrighty, need 24 ounces of pizza sauce, pasta sauce, whatever kind of sauce you like. And then what we'll do, after we pour this in, we'll be filling another thing of water inside this and pouring that in also. Pepperoni minis. Now we're trying something different today, folks. Instead of mozzarella, we're going to try the Monterey Jack. Carolyn's going to shred this up for us here shortly. And let's get started. Probably. Alright, first thing we do, we take our box of pasta, pour it in there. Alright, now we take a 24 ounce can of sauce. Folks, this is simple. Pour that in here. Now, I'll get some tap water. Fill the jar up. Be right back, folks. Put the lid on there. Shake that thing up. Get all your goodness out of the jar. Now, pour that in here. Now, what we're going to do now, before we stir it in, take our pepperonis. I got the little guys here. You can use whichever size you want. You don't want to get that little pack in there. No, do not eat. Now, I'm going to do about 3/4 of the bag right now. That's good. Seal that back up. We'll come back to that in a minute. This a stir. Combine everything together, folks. And then what we're going to do, we've already got the oven preheating to 425. We're going to take some tin foil, put on top of this, and we're going to cook this for 25 minutes. Then we'll take it out. We'll put our cheese on there. Now, I think the recipe called for 8 ounces. We went ahead and went with the pound. We doubled up on the cheese. Once again, can't have too much cheese, folks. Now, we got this stirred up. Once again, you can use whatever pasta you want, folks. This here just what caught my eye this evening. Put the tin foil in there, cook for 25 minutes. We'll get it out and show you what we do next. See you in a minute. Seal it up good, and we'll place it in the oven. Alrighty, we cooked it there for 25 minutes. Now, we'll put our cheese on here. Now use whatever cheese you want, folks. Like I said, we tried Monterey Jack this time. It's supposed to melt good just like mozzarella. Now, like I said, we doubled the cheese. Now take the rest of your pepperonis we had, Sprinkle them all over top here. And like I said, you can use whichever size you'd like. We went ahead and went with the minis. This meal didn't cost a whole lot. Of course, the way things are nowadays, everything costs a lot, but it wasn't too bad. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the tin foil back over top of it, and then we're going to stick it back in the oven for 15 more minutes. Don't forget your pot holders, folks. Don't want anybody burnt. Alrighty, Shug, open the stove. Alrighty, here's the finished product, folks. Alrighty, folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, if you would, like and subscribe, hit the little bell notification, and you all have a great day, and we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.